Okay everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm mixing it up with Gigi. I am going to be making hummus. The ingredients we're going to need for that are 2 cans of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, 3 tablespoonfuls of lemon juice or just 1 lemon, 2 tablespoonfuls of tahini, 2 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoonful of salt, and that's optional, 1 teaspoonful of truffle oil, and that's also optional. And then you're going to need a few cubes of ice to get it as smooth as possible. Alrighty, so let's get started. I've already gone ahead and opened the cans of chickpeas, and these are the organic garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And first I'm going to go ahead and drain them. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in a bowl. Okay, next thing we're going to do, chickpeas, get rid of my cans. Chickpeas normally have a little skin on it, if you can see right there. I'm going to fill up this bowl with some water, see, and that's optional to take them off. You can leave them on, but when you take them off, it makes your chickpeas much smoother. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and submerge these peas in some water, kind of massage them a little bit to get the outer shell, to extract the outer shell. Alright guys, so I have some water on my chickpeas, and as you can see, I'm just manipulating them, rubbing them with my hands just to get the outer shell off. You can do it this way to get most of them off, or you can sit there and pick them off one by one, and I'm not here for that. So now they are all nice and loosened, and I'm gonna just strain them off, and all the shells are here ready to come off. Okay, that's one way to do them. Okay, now that I got most of the shell off my beans, I'm going to transfer it to this mixer or food processor rather. And I had to rinse mine a couple times, guys, to get a lot of the and I use warm water, so keep that in mind when you're doing it. Okay, and to get most of the shell, and again, it's optional. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to drop that in there, and I'm going to blend this first. I'm going to start the process first, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon juice. And this is just me guiding it so I don't get seeds in there. And you can use a strainer if you want. I just don't want to have too much cleaning up to do. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my tahini, and I'm using the squeezable brand, and you want about 3 or 4 tablespoonfuls, and you can literally judge that. It all depends on your taste. Okay, so I'm putting 4 tablespoonfuls. Then I'm going to put a little bit of my truffle oil. This is garlic infused. Where is it? Garlic infused truffle oil. I'm going to also put a tablespoonful in here. But I'm going to also use some to garnish. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some salt. All right, I'm just putting just a half a teaspoon of salt, and that you can do to taste. Okay, you can put more if you desire. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cover and continue with the blending process. And again, just keep a few cubes of ice handy which will help you with the making it a lot creamier. So just a few cubes of ice while it's going, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit more salt, and I'm also gonna add maybe about another tablespoonful of tahini. And that should do it. So let me go ahead and continue the blending process now. Don't forget to add 1 or 2 cubes of ice. Guys, my hummus is finished. So let me go ahead and pour it in my bowl that I'll be saving it in. And it's very good to as tempted as I am, I'm gonna definitely taste mine, but putting it down for a minute and before you consume it, it's best, so all the flavors can come together. Yes, guys, it's so creamy. Look at it. Yes, yes, yes. This is so easy and so much better than store-bought. So, garbanzo beans, they are very cheap. So again, why would you buy store-bought when you can make it in like 10 minutes or less? I would suggest you use that time and make some garbanzo beans. Okay guys, so now all I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish it with some smoked paprika. Yes, Lord. Put as much as you want. Then I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more of the truffle oil over it. Not much. It's still oil. Just a little. And here we go, guys. My homemade hummus. Yes, Lord, it is so delicious. Here it is. All right, guys, so this is it. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy it with some black beans, corn-free, GMO black bean chips. Yes, that's going to be what's going to take place today. Yes. So here goes my hummus. It's very delicious. Give it a try like I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to go ahead and have some hummus with some black bean tortilla chips. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like and stars. Thank you so much. God bless.